All right, what is up, guys? What is going on? It's been a while. I understand it's been a while, but I didn't want to bring you something that's just boring, plain old me just working and not getting anything done. So, I got all the stuff back from Jake Tinsley at Tinsley Custom Coatings. He does an amazing job. He does Devin Vanderhoof stuff, a lot of really, really nice stuff with like matte performance fab. If you have anything that you want powder coated and you look really nice, he's a car guy. He does a great job. Shout out to him. He really made this thing look good. I'm going to try to do him justice because this is a little bit of a janky car. You know, I mean, it's a 1979 Zephyr. She's got mismatched fenders now. It is what it is, but I'm going to show this stuff to you guys. We're really close to getting it fired up. Check it out. Guys, I mean, check it out here. I went all satin black on this deal. It's funny, I've never been one to be really about form. It's been more about function, but I really love, the only thing I wish now I would have got him to do something with this turbine housing, because the downpipe looks sick. We went with the black and blacked it all out, and now it's like you can't even see. It's like such a deep black here. We did a black lid. He redid our valve covers. They don't look totally different, but put his coat on there. It's really nice. I mean, charge pipe looks amazing. The compressor housing looks so sick. I'm very excited. Cerakoted, I think it is, throttle body. Looks so freaking good. I'm pumped. I've still got some silicone. The only thing that is keeping us from firing up right now, when I want to pull this off before I sent this throttle body off, this throttle position sensor decided to stick on this Johnny, and so we've got to do something. Or I got to order one of those or get one in tomorrow. And what is that? Our, what's it called? Y'all know what it's called. It's right here. I may have to get me one of these. What's it? IPC or ICP, idle control sensor. Idle control, I don't remember it. Whatever. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So it looks freaking good. I've got the motor plate in there. The only thing I've got to do is I may prime the fuel system again to check for leaks, since I took this filter off. It's mounted to the motor plate, and I'm just excited. I ain't gonna lie. I'd like to do something. This is some kind of air temp sensor that is really just being used as a plug right now, so I'm probably gonna get a plug for that. Yeah, we got our wastegate is hooked up, plumb. The only thing I've got to do is, this is how this works. Dome pressure sensor from over here, I've got to pull back through the cab and bring it on this frame rail over here, so that we got our dome pressure sensor and it's good. So pretty pumped. All I gotta do, the only other thing, and I ordered it yesterday, is our drain to this. I'm not even gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, because I'm using one of the drain plugs from back there. It is not the best sizing, but it is going to be enough, I believe, and hopefully this works out. Got to get a 10AN plug for over there, and then we'll be good. That's pretty much it. Then prime the fuel system, check for leaks, start it up, see how she sounds. I'm curious, real curious, as to how this thing sounds, because, you know, before it was like that bank and that bank, you know, so it sounded good, but it was different. Yeah, so I'm pretty pumped. Obviously the hood is not going to go back on it for right now, because I don't have any of the Zeus fasteners which not a big deal. Not running a hood. Do got to get the front. I'm going to work on that probably, maybe actually here in a little bit after I eat some dinner. I'm going to get the front grille and headlights back in, and the throttle cable hooked up, and this Johnny is going to hopefully fire up possibly this weekend. I'm probably going to go ahead and get all new plugs. Maybe we may fire it up on these plugs, and then we may do an oil change next week, just because, I mean, we're starting the season off, right? Like, why not? I know I probably don't have a lot of passes on this deal, but this thing's been sitting here. There's probably condensation from getting hot and cold, so there's no point in not just getting the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Or not getting the right thing, but doing the right thing and getting that right. Start up on these plugs, not a huge ordeal, and then we'll change plugs for when we go and race. So, speaking of going and racing.
Still got my Christmas trees. We'll just keep those for maybe next year? I don't know. Speaking of racing, what is the plans? What are we doing? Well, the white car obviously is not ready to test, to do anything, because, and what is awesome, getting this back going now, for now, is going to allow us to get this thing out of here into the box so it can be in its own mobile garage and ready to race. And then the white car can come in here and I can start projects that I need to get done on it. So the plan now is to run this until we get the white car going good. Then once the white car is ready to be fired and ready to like be tuned and race, and it takes sort of center stage in my racing program, this, I'm going to pull the motor and it's going to get those rods and pistons that are sitting down at TKM waiting on us. That's the plan. So going racing, fingers crossed, we may make it to Shadyside Dragway next week for Carolina Cash Days. Possibly. That's the plan. Oh man, boys, that's a looker. I like it. I really do. I'm pretty pumped. I clean up a little bit of stuff. I mean, that looks like a purpose-built engine bay. Like I did something fancy. Thanks, Jake. You rock. So that's the plan there. After that, not sure. There are still some little gangster stuff going around, and depending on how this does, I'm not taking the radials off of it for Shadyside. Is that stupid? It's a no prep. I don't care. It's free entry, 3,000 to win. So, and I've got Ben Johnny's up there if need be. You know, I'll take them with me. So, but we don't get test passes. So, unless, I don't know, I'll take them with me. It is what it is. So, yeah, that's pretty much what we've got with the Zephyr. I'm pretty excited about it. Not gonna lie, I didn't expect it to really, I don't know. I expected it to look good, but not like this good. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully we can get us some wins this year. That's the plan. I really want to go fast with this big old Johnny. I mean, I should be able to. And, you know, make this small block Ford live up to some of the small block Ford hype. We got the Ford Motor in it, boys. We got to go fast. So that's the plan. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'm starving. It's time to go get dinner. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow along. We're going to pick the white car up next week. Oh, no. How's that going to work? How am I going to go to Cash Days and pick that car up? Okay. I got to figure that out. That's going to be fun. White car's done. It's got a cage in it. And I haven't seen any pictures. I haven't seen anything. So it's going to be sick. So I'm pretty pumped about that one. Not going to lie. So, all right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the